Renovations can be stressful. From unexpected costs to timeline delays, many homeowners encounter challenges. At IOS Renovations, we offer clear solutions to help you address these issues confidently. Our mission is to turn your home into the space you've always wanted with our all-in-one service. We take care of every detail, from the first 3D design to the final build, making sure your renovation is easy, enjoyable, and stress-free. We are dedicated to bringing your unique vision to life so that your newly renovated home truly shows your style and way of living. Our services range from specific projects like flooring installation and tile work to full-scale kitchen and bathroom remodels. We also manage major constructions, including house additions and building custom homes.
Complete home renovations. Our team handles renovations for kitchens, bathrooms, basements, and every other room of your home. We're also the team to call if your home needs major repairs. At our core, we believe in trust and transparency. That's why we offer our clients a guaranteed fixed price contract, so you'll never have to worry about unexpected costs. We also stand by our work with an industry-leading 5-year warranty, because we know that quality matters. From the materials we choose to the tradespeople we partner with, every detail is handled with precision. We take pride in delivering high-quality craftsmanship, ensuring your renovation is built to last for years to come. For more detailed information on our full services, visit our website, iosrenovations.com.